Welcome to the new year. We're in 2022. It's all about hustle. It's all about vibing. Yeah, man. 2021 mara.
Eish. Yeah, they are very
Streets talks.
Streets are talking.
Yeah, man.
So now, hey, it's a new year. It's a new year.
Yeah, man. Welcome to a brand new show. Streets are talking. The name Mandyman Gaily, and we're doing it like it never done before. We disappear.
Amen. But I never Venda.
Venda.
Venda. Ama nandi on but was on nandi on mara hey so ngozi phiriwa ziyambi azoro tangana mina zingozi arangambi mara we were there
we
one
that was nice, man. It was good. Even though mvura most of the time ziyafara zimvula and all that mara obo sharp man niyabona chiko chipinga na muyo ne niyautuwa nkobona ndringa nisuka Venda la miri chiko budzula mimuya
and utangala munya uresa badi nga December ndio nendo fozuri ya Venda uko defa
ndrini ichiko rwani fe uko nukira dzinama fa dzibucharani ri magaraba ko pfapfamisa
mara ni kwenda kamsini ndzula petu ne abana zvigontira nanda ya Venda nga December mvura ikona ndiyapedza vegeneza ko ubva munhu ndzula
matope ini azorona chigontiri chitova kolenyana una ku distance mara
zvikwarani rida kutamba vamusano rivatanganyisede vamuna
ya kutoshorwa mutavanyana kana twa chigontiri chidlinkana nechichireka main road na pothole na nthu vari mini yangu na hampu ila ya hanu afala getini ila ni afala chimitsojena chigontirini hey
mara that's cool. Venda, that's cool, woman. That's cool. Who do you think is the most booked artist Venda? Nga festive, you know.
Okay. I know Nani Satuba too much.
Yeah.
But I saw Uri Rude Kid had a lot of shows, man. I can say Rude Kid was one of the people that were like booked. So I don't know if some cause namakadzi ka list. Ka hip hop, yeah, we're looking at
Rude Kid. Because I was checking almost every show. There was Rude Kid phase, Rude Kid was there.
Yeah.
Rude Kid was always performing everywhere. I think, yeah, if that's the formula that they're using, I think
there's something I think but to pay attention in cars. Some of the places that I went, that's the good of music and I mean. I realized uri bathu bakufuna ngamanda vibe to my piano achivenda.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah. Arana lyrics achivenda. Ndisongotamba maybe Venda page. Even some parties because before I left here ndotumanda ina Pitori. So I kind of checked a couple of places. And then every time I go to my lyrics into the lyrics that you Venda, that's when I could zero Mrauri. Means what you Venda demand and all that. Don't worry. I wanna go to I wanna access to music or learning or but to Banji. I don't think why but you submit a music or send a music come a DJ na meaning or so which was radio. You send a DJ
yes.
Una Nipro. Una wuyi. Una capable boys.
The moment that DJ atambatreka yano imagine Toyandone palanga December, you know Robo Darahan. One DJ play a song. I mix it and that track I mix it and go track your Duma for Josie at Janayone. The vibe is still the same.
And people are going to dance. This girl was promoting very Nishaka. Damn, she killed it. Couple had seen a spa. Says
you see?
What has you dinner at banga ina line nilizona light ni some withdraw kazi ku ATM
udongela card ya shumi kazi ku ATM
ya kuita butoro
ishuma kane le ATM phase
yetesa butoro bumwe enda wana uri vatu vanotokwata uri abe ari kokona withdraw zvibudongara na chirede ngobona notuwana mabhevezane fa ngozama withdraw na vani kosokori unsuccessful kanti ndiri la card ni la
decline usori ko decline iko to abore. And it comes to the technical difficulties and but I'm happy for now. No, this December I was happy.
It was vibing.
Emuna, the one music was Venda, you know, as a whole.
In a bigger scale.
Yes, and no one will pick up. I think I honor the corona because of most of artists. They made money.
Not forgetting Nango Gigike. Not Gigizetu I didn't really make it. I think I'm going to see camera when I check the video clips na picture now.
Yeah.
It looks nice and I'm sure camera number 2 one gay. One thing that I was hearing is sometimes when you build a relationship you kind of get a lot of people who support you. But as long as in some other Twitter now arrogant I mean, but if you na
nota.
Hola call do mama also not relevance here we struggling so una Ozi bangwa Mizo Ozi ka Twitter ndi Ozi double ne
okay
obana show na I forgot the name of the show. It was a success and na dawa na show futhi Mingoni yetu anga this other DJ.
Oh yeah, Mingoni is that side the Chaurwange pass. Yeah. I think I've been there once.
Yeah. So it was a nice show. Go check everything. I had some difficulties with Chimbles.
Yeah.
You saw my bumper. Yeah. So yeah. But yeah, man.
And I also had the show njiza Venda zokakiseya futhi ngamvula. Una show ya Most Boy ya beko one. Mvula skia generator. There's some few shows in there. Yeah. I don't know about one. And we know that there was going to be a huge turn up on those shows because other night a show we know nga show ya Bufizi is always
pegged,
full,
man.
Even last year it was pegged.
Even you talking about that, I saw Rude Kid also. Ora jenam dimeli wachibizira zina lawene. Yo, crowd went crazy. Because I think one thing is promoters zori. You look at the
yeah.
So this new generation inago vibe na bond na Rude
Kid yeah.
Abana magara mangwena dako vibe na bo 2 or 1 nga ko vibe call bet. So
the jump na pesa
so it's something that like I looked at it, I'm like, yeah, man. Sometimes when you know what kind of people you're booking, it really works, man. It really brings something out.
True. And the fact that ila show ya Bufizi ya Mudimeri is like free, I think that's what makes it batubade ngabudaro. And beside Mvura kana mini, I think people will always come to that show, and it has become an annual show if you look at it.
And then Arana now no reach which ngora gigi. Out one vibing or raro ne. But you tend there was some vibe. They will make sure they party like nobody's business. This is not as good as Kuite coming on my shango. Yes.
December it was. I think this is the most December where when I'm with Venda who was booked will say, yeah, we enjoyed because we saw like many emerging artists. But here, we have seen a lot of things coming up.
You know that song? I wanted to talk about it when it came up, but I was like, you know what? It's not the right time, man.
True.
Give it time. That song is something else. I wish it had a music video.
Yeah, but you know what happened with music video? I'm not saying or it's a bad thing or it's a good thing, but I think we need a new strategy. Sabatuba Venda or a recono market as the music videos ashu. You know there was a bigger song about November, December. Yeah, Mitodzi, Mizo feel. I think everyone was expecting that video or other rainbow video. The video will be too much dope. It will be played everywhere, channel whatever. But I don't think it did reach those ends or those heights. And recently we just heard that the video is now taken down on YouTube.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yo, what video?
I was trying to search it earlier, but check it on.
That's check a video.
But do you think it's because of what happened between Adroit and Mizo within the partnership?
If it's definitely taken down, I think it's that drama I've got Adroit and Mizo.
Yeah.
And what's the name of the publishing company?
Lit Gang. Is it Lit?
Yeah, Adroit.
Lit Gang Entertainment. Yeah,
and that other company name is all partner for that. I think they like if really there was a double crossing and una issue man. It breaks my heart because sometimes you're looking at how big is the song and then nasaza uruko the vela zwabu the next thing na wanorodimbo loko clip you are chaya panda albums go take you down. It really hurts. Sometimes you need to honor the contract.
But we don't know what type of contract they had with Mizo. But what I know is that first time that video was published on YouTube, lead gang, which is
Adroit.
Adroit. But now, as I go through Adroit profile here, apaka kind of lead gang profile apaka ka YouTube. Ciao. Guys, I'm trying to do that. There's nothing. Mizo Mitodzi. I see covers, people doing covers. I see the song, and which is another thing, right? If you go and search for the Mizophil album now and then, Adroit Oi poster or Lead Gang Way poster, and there's electro
mode.
Yeah. We release you. So you can tell already there was some stuff happening there. The only video that I see here, Mizophil,
this is performance.
The performance, and somebody, we all know somebody, and we don't know what's happening.
That's what kills it. Like, if we have a contract, I think most of the time we need to honor it, man. Okay, this case that I got involved last year.
Yeah.
I helped another artist, and then there was another case that happened again. So the last time the Lana case died too. That the same thing when music was taken down from iTunes, like all the digital stores. Come on, now with December, that's when I only managed to get I managed to get that other album up, the other one, October again. So it breaks my heart. People go into contracts or deals. Piano. You recorded songs. Blow up.
Yeah, that's what happened. Mara, I think the problem that we have, Sabat, which is normal. We forgot already. At the end of the day, this thing has to be a business.
Come on.
So my contract wait until the day comes in or record the nyimbo zika laptop yanga nana nema chamba
delete
remove my voice.
Hey, we can remove my voice.
Remove my video clips on your music video. The music video what?
Sometimes I'm not believer. If you leave and then we've done things properly, you still make money, I still make money. So there's no need to delete the music down. Come on. The other gang. Yo, so it's all about those things. So sometimes we just, I think, but honor the contract. Try and complete what you have agreed on, because you're damaging. It's right there. It's about to blow up. But now you can't, because.
But not to take away the album Mizo feel.
Yo, when the album is fire,
dope. It's dope. I think it was what people have been waiting for all along.
It's a masterpiece.
Yeah, I think.
But it's a masterpiece.
But changes everything.
Okay, the battle I'm trying to say in the it's not a party album.
Yeah.
What people have been missing, Venda, it's something to party with.
Yeah.
That's a classic. The album, that you sit and you listen, and then it touches you.
You wanna sit and listen alone,
and then it paints the picture. Like comes you doing something wrong, and you listen to that album, it will shift your mind, it will put you in a better place. Come on, it's a very dope album. I put it in one of the classics. The Venda. It's a one best album it deserves an award, man. That album deserves an award. But what Venda have been missing, it's a party songs. We have when you come to party songs, come back la hip hop, ne?
Yeah.
Kama nyalo, kazi house, kama piano, ziko buya what community?
Syria community.
Vubu.
Ingani rana mini.
I'm listening, I'm sitting right there like, guys, what the hell are you listening to?
Yeah. But have you seen Uri beefy it's either hip hop, it's either
It
whatever.
doesn't matter.
There'll always be beef. Because you got if we go back category in T, you know, ringabe MC Mazware, Mukosi, Syria, the community, we are Makazi.
Navena Shaka, Navena Kororo.
You got those people, they see themselves within one category.
And
so but there's always beef in between. So for like hip hop, there's always beef. But I'm not sure if because we have seen beef with the hip hoppers in the Dumisavat.
Yeah.
AKA in a Casper, their beef, they don't remember who never honest, you know.
It's not everyone in a person on a beef.
Yeah.
But one thing, when I'm talking about that thing, party song, if you see what Rude Kid introduced, Venda, like bringing the old ways of doing things, but in a new way.
Yeah.
The freestyle, that guy shifted the whole hip hop in never to know. Then comes you remember that guy? Because I got high. When I listen to Gusba,
it reminds you of that guy.
Afro Man.
Yeah.
Then Cypress Hill.
Nice.
Who else? There's a couple of people that rap into that one motherfucker. Like Gusba it's that guy that has about 5 artists in one.
Yeah.
And then he also brought in that vibe that have been missing. Those party songs that we used to have. So one thing I would like to also say, when I listen to Rude Kid and I listen to Gusba, those are two completely different artists. Like they have their own style, which is completely different.
Yeah.
But I tried to get hold of Gusba. I've been trying to interview him
December.
December. I guess he was overbooked or something. But I'm still looking forward, whether it's over the phone or we'll do it. But I tried to get hold of him. I think he was also booked big time. So when you are in a gig that has Rude Kid and has Gusba, you're getting a full package.
You're getting a vibe. And there's also there's this other guy as well. Very Tiger Boy Mukoni.
Tiger Boy have been in the game, man. That guy has been in the game for the longest time.
Yeah.
That boy have been doing.
But for some reason, we still have people saying that. I think I'm gonna post to sometimes on Facebook. We still have that issue already. Music wa Venda auko reach the mainstream. It's not being recognized.
Okay.
That issue, I think it's a topic on its own.
Yeah, it's a long topic. We've been Komzero have been our crazy guy. Zuglazana have been talking about it. We have a lot of people that have been addressing it. I forgot that other guy. He works in most of the mainstream radios. Why am I forgetting him? But we're not really friends. We're not friends, but we talk whenever we have a chance. Twitter, what. He's one great guy. The problem is, remember when I was trying to help out with Choice FM? We'd send the music, and then we'll push your music into Choice and in other radio stations. First problem, we don't send an album. Which song you want to be played on the radio? We can't sit and listen to your whole album.
Yeah, we need one song that you're feeling on the
album. We don't what one you call the track about the radio edit.
Yeah.
If you can you need to have radio edit. Now on a radio edit.
And radio edit they need some size your rainbow. It has to be a specific
like 5 megabytes.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
I think let's say 3 to 5 megabytes. That should be the size.
Yeah.
3 to 5, and then the song at least must be 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Or less.
It'll be clean.
Come on. But
Mara, do you think people wanna do already na chivenda mtu angasemana karimbo?
Asimapungo rumo tono doera ndikusema nere. Even kana chikuwa kana chizulu. Ndikusema nere. Come on.
So suppose already comes Kanye West other blah fuck whatever the sharp ne.
Una ningamufa utodiyama zo fuck but unamangoma kamba ane. Ningasitho bako apanga like
I batamba asingori comes akomo Venda ngoro fori yamatamba ya
adora ringa damba ningaona kula mtu achikombuzo uri ngomu namsizo ko rap yo zori ni songo ti it's like a direct to that person. Most of people won't say the song is bad. They will laugh for it. This guy got balls telling that guy. But then unama dikusema na matamba ahone ane abori ako places so han. But bunjia bathu basokotwa ashumisa. That's why ntwana ka rwimbo namsuko sima ngachikuwa kana ngachizuru kana ngachimini. Ba twister. Abasukwamba my ultimate mwana mangwe. Ndidoni tukura mini. Ndidoni like unama if ane unakusema na ndona uri. Okay, niko semana but wako enjoy that vibe thing ya nur. Aniko swita direct ngela ndile ni abori ngoto to visa mango my fiane ulimbo na release panda watu warwane. Una nyimbo zina zitsa panda watu warwane. And watu zifanga mrora man ulimbo liko semana man.
Aziawe. Mara reka diba kazi music video. Ndabona makazo post like I think it was on Facebook. Akwambor ukotakarera congratulate Mizo for music video ukotamba ka channel O marmin Mizo feel hobiringana. I think wo premiere ka channel O crispy fresh. I think it has been a week or so ukotamba
crispy fresh lifarnane